hindi lang pwedeng basta-bastang mindset. If you really wanna be successful in your life, anong klaseng mindset kaya ang importante? Growth, coachable, never giving up. Isa lang, ask me what? Abundance mindset. Kasi maraming tao, ladies and gentlemen, kahit gaano sila katalino at kahit gaano sila kagaling, ang pananaw nila sa kanilang buhay will always be, mahirap lang ako. So tingin mo, kung ang pananaw at pagtingin mo sa iyong sarili ay mahirap lang ako, do you ever think this person will create financial success? Yes or no? No. Ask me why. Kasi sino dito katulad ko ayaw nagkakamali? Sino dito ayaw na they feel wrong about themselves? Thank you. So kung ang pananaw mo sa buhay mo mahirap ka lang at yun na ang self-image mo at ayaw mo nagkakamali, so paano kaya yaman? Kasi kapag yumaman ka, nagkamali ka at ayaw mo yun. So many people want success, yes or no? But many people don't generate or don't create the necessary mindset and self-image to become successful. Kaya if you wanna be successful in your life, number 1, kailangan meron kang skill. Pero level 1 lang yan. Number 2, kailangan meron kang mindset. Pero level 2 lang yan. If you want to create, or sino dito, you wanna have 7 figures income, 7 digits income on a month to month to month to month to month basis. Do you wanna know what's required? Leadership. Because you cannot build something big without people. You cannot build something big without system. You cannot build something big without structure. Leadership will always be a reflection of your personal mastery. If your personal mastery isn't working, do you think your leadership will work? Never. Because your leadership will fail as well. The reason, mga kaibigan, kung bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng personal development, as far as my promise to you is concerned, every other week, tama ba? Is because you need to be equipped with the necessary knowledge, with the necessary skill set, but above all, a necessary mindset and leadership required to become successful.